Hello friends, welcome to the series of Ionic framework where we are going to see delete functionality in SQLite database. So in previous video we have seen the update functionality. So here I am getting the student based on like this all data are present in my SQLite database, and when if I want to delete, so let me click on the one student. So here we are getting the icon of delete. So as you will click on delete, and you can able to see this there are only three array. So these records are getting present here. So let me show you once again. Yeah, so this is, now you can see that only two records are there. Yeah, so only two records are there. So how to do this functionality, so we'll see in this video. So whenever we want to delete any data, we need a function in database service.ts file. So to delete any records, let me go in the database service.ts file where we have defined the function for deleting the student data. So here we are getting the stud id in the function, and then we are executing the database call. This is database query delete from the students. The students is my table where stud id equals to the stud id which is coming from in the function. So and after that we are updating the latest student record, which is able so that we can show on the front end. So whenever I click on any of the student, it will load the individual student page. So page is this one, student page.html, and here we have defined this icon as iron buttons and as slot as end. So that's why we are getting the icons at the end of the here. So at the end of the this frame. So this is the iron button slot equals to end, and then iron button on click we are calling the delete function, and the icon should be trash. So like this, and so whenever user click on this icon, it will call the delete function, and this delete function we need to define in the student page.ts file. So we have delete functionality here. So we have the student, we are calling the functionality like this dot student dot stud id, and then we are routing this this page to the students page. So students we have defined the in app routing module.ts. So whenever successful, we will get the successful response, it will call this page and it will load this page on the front end. So this is student.page.ts. In that we are passing the student id, and in that we are calling the db function. This .db we have defined in the constructor here, private db database services. So in that we are calling the function and we are passing the student id, and as it will get deleted by this function delete from the students where stud id is equal to stud id, and we are updating the student data so that we can show them on the front end. So like this we have implemented the delete student functionality. So I hope you understand this delete functionality, and if you have any question or any doubt, then please put in the comment section. I will definitely reply on that. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel friends. Thank you.